Hello. We're back with another trading video. Um, well, first off, let me go over yesterday's notes. So, what scenario played out? It was the bearish one. Yeah, we stayed below that order block. We had an SMT into it. So, NQ wanted to go lower. So, I wanted to wait for a setup. There was an fair value gap earlier on this side, but I wasn't really happy taking it because it was so small. Well, let me see if I can find it. Where was it? Somewhere around here. Is it this? Yeah. This is the fair value gap here. It was like a 0.75 point fair value gap, or what was it? 3 ticks? Yeah, 3 ticks. So yeah, we tapped into it and it would have delivered, but I was not confident taking it. It was too small. So I waited a bit and then we got this fair value gap here. I could have taken this, but I was scared that this might have just been a retrace before a big move back up. So once I saw this change in state again, then I was like, yeah, we're going to go even lower. So I took this for a little 1 to 2 hour trade. Stop loss above this order block here, bearish order block, and then just 1 to 2. And yeah, I was going to go 1 to 3, and then once again, I was like, we are still in retrace territory. We could still shoot up, which as you can see, we did do that. Boom, up there. But yeah, I'm happy with the trade. Made 1K in the eval, so we need 2K more. Well, technically 999, but whatever. So let's do some analysis today. Start off on the daily time frame. We tapped into this fair value gap and we made a rejection out of it. So that's a good sign to go long. And we disrespected this 4-hour order block. So on both pairs. Oh, this is looking a bit scattered on ES, but yeah, both pairs we disrespected it. And we are still heavily respecting this gap. He just does not want to break below this point. Maybe it's engineering liquidity, but look at that. We just have not disrespected this 4-hour gap on either pairs. So that's a good sign for longs as well. So if we want to keep going higher today, I don't want us to go below, I'd say even this point. I don't want us to go below there. Okay, it's black. That will be a point that I do not want us to see. And if we're going long, the end of day goal would maybe be this swing high here. It's like 500 points though, so we'll have to see. So we could target the top of this low-hanging fruit. It is kind of relative equalize as well as a nice strong liquidity. But this is also a low resistance liquidity too that could just get ran through. But that might not be today. We'll have to see. That's my take on the 4-hour. The 1 hour. Oh yeah, we're looking bullish there. We even have order blocks here, bullish order blocks that we can trade back into. It's within equilibrium too. Yeah, could tap into that. I wouldn't mind it. I'll put this as a bullish order block. For me, I do it as blue. Yeah, if we disrespect that, then it's looking long. But yeah, the potential point that we could retrace back into. And there's a fair value gap within it too, so it's a nice little confluence. On the 15-minute, it looks like we've got some sweeps of some key levels, and either a retrace or a reversal is coming. We'll know if it's a retrace if we react bullish down here and we go back up, and we know if it's a reversal if we just plummet through. So yeah, that's pretty much my analysis for the day. I'm looking for longs, but we can tell if there's shorts. Okay, let's write it down. I turned it down. 02, 07. I need a shit, so can I sneak one out? Maybe. So scenario 2, okay, just keep going higher here. So I'd say if we trade above this point without a retrace, then we could keep looking for longs there. We and I like to always have one contradicting scenario. That if this happens, then we can look for shorts instead of longs. So for me, that would be if you disrespect this gap. I mean, this order block. But yeah, that's my scenario for the day. Let's look at the news. 1 p.m. already. Okay, so news already came out. We don't really have anything to worry about during the trading hours. Let's see. What news was it? Non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, hourly earnings. Okay. News already came out. Never get effect and defect. The same thing. What did the news even do actually? 130. Okay. Yeah, we already swept the data high and low, so it's kind of useless to us. Yeah, on both pairs as well. Okay. But it was bullish news. Cool beans. Cool beans. Now we wait for market open. I'm gonna go take a shiza while we wait. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Market is open. And we already tapped into that order block and we left an SMT on it. This is looking good for longs, I can't even lie. Let's see if we get our setup. Okay, but we do have to wait 5 more minutes because I can't take a trade within the first 10 minutes of market open. Let's do hypothetical though. If we were to take this trade, I'd be filled in right now. My break even would be this high up here. Yeah, my break even would be this high up here. Let's see. Would we even get to break even? Boing, 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 boing. God damn. Okay. Okay, I like that candle. Dude, I wouldn't like that though, because why are we going back in to retest it? That gap is too small to be filled in more than once. So that's not really a good sign for us. Maybe the first 10-15 minutes of market open is very manipulative. Do be stuck on. Do be stuck on. Do be stuck on. All right. Let's see what's going to happen now. Maybe we want to fill this in more before we go up higher. But what I will not do is look for shorts until we disrespect it. So even if this setup prints here, I'm not taking it. But hypothetically, like where were we? We could take it. Nah, the TP will be there. Okay, 1 to 2.2, 2.1. And we'll be tagged in now. Our trading window is open now, so we'll be looking for longs. You see that? You don't want to trade against the bias, man. Unless he just wants to fill in this entire thing. High time frame is still saying, oh yeah, look at that. We tapped that nicely. Look at that. It looks like ES is more bullish than NQ right now. So maybe it's best if we take it there. Pardon me. Yeah, okay. Now we're getting some momentum. Right. I will order place there. See if we get filled. Of course, bro. Weird fact did not get filled. Okay, no, I did. I'm gonna break even at this high. TP up there, 1.5. That is a key level to reject from. I have to be very careful here, actually. See how ES wants to play this. Hopefully he just shoots up higher now. I have a bad feeling about this. We don't need to test this gap that many times, bro. Yeah. All my rules. Very tempted to go to break even early, but I have to listen to my rules when this high gets taken. Okay. Oh, I feel happy now. Okay. I will be happy with the break even. Oof. Damn, that was hard. Like, my heart is pounding. Still a very emotional game, trading. I don't think it ever will not be an emotional game. But you can only reduce the amount of emotions over time. That's a bar. Alright. Let's see what happens now. Any key levels that ES has to target. There is this high up here. Draw liquidity. 1 minute. Yeah. I do not like how slow it's delivering actually. I doubt we'll go all the way up there. Let's go for 1K instead. Damn. Maybe it fills this gap and then goes up even higher. Come on, NQ. We're gonna eat today, right? You guys know that meme? The guy at the corner of the table, like, and there's just food everywhere on the fucking desk. Oh, pump it up, pump it up. You gotta pump it up. And thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You know I love you, NQ. You know I love you. There you go. Good day right there. I'll see you guys tomorrow.